got me one. And the blade bait. Nice little chunky bass right there. She hit that blade bait. With the spin on the back. Yeah. Little chunky bass. I'll take it. No skunk. Felt good too. That's a bite. Feel like a little one though. Come on now. Oh, he chunky though. Yeah, she pretty chunky. Shh. That's what I'm talking about. She choked it. She choked it. Okay. No skunk, baby. A little bit further down, she would have got it in the gills. But I got her. Another chunky little one. I appreciate it. Blade bait. Oh, that's another one. Feel a little bit bigger. Yeah. Oh, yeah, they feel a little bit bigger. Out of that. I know you ain't. Oh, yes, that's definitely bigger. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. A chunky one, too. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's what I'm talking about. Definitely bigger than the first two. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll take it. Yes, it is. That's a good one now. On the blade, though, baby. She gone. Jones. I ain't got that bite on camera, but got another one. Talking about the last cast. They done start biting now. I might don't need to leave. That's a full piece. No. Yeah, that's a 4P. That's number 4. She chunked out too. Yes, it is. Ooh. Chunky there. Another chunky. Decent. hand right there, baby. She come.